Students, today we are going to discuss the topic wavelength, time period of a wave, frequency of a wave, speed of a wave, and finally in the end we will solve some numerical related to this topic. Our first subtopic is wavelength. The distance between any two consecutive crest or trough is known as wavelength. For example, this is a wave and the distance between any two consecutive crest, okay, or any two consecutive trough is known as wavelength. Okay, it is represented by lambda and its unit is, since it is a distance, so its unit is, it is a length, so its unit is meter. As we know that the single wave is like this. This is a single wave. The length of a single wave is also known as wavelength. The length of a single wave like this is also known as wavelength. Like this. So here in this figure, the distance between any two consecutive crests is known as wavelength, or the length of a single wave is also known as wavelength. Time period of a wave. The time required to pass a single wave through a point is known as time period. Okay? The time during which a single wave passes through a point, that time is known as time period. Okay? So here there is a major difference between time period of a wave and the total time of waves passing through a point. If a single wave passes through a point in a particular time, then this particular time is known as time period. If number of waves greater than 1, for example 2 waves, 3 waves, 4 waves passes through a point in a particular time, then that time is known as total time. That time are not called the time period. That time are known as total time, through which a number of waves passes through a point. So what is time period? The time during which a single wave passes through a point is known as time period. Time period is represented by capital T and its unit is second. Frequency of a wave. The number of waves passes through a point in 1 second is known as frequency. For example, 5 waves pass through a point in 1 second. It means its frequency is 5. For example, 10 waves pass through a point in 1 second, so its frequency is 10 Hertz. For example, 2 waves pass through a point in 1 second, so the frequency of the wave is 2 Hertz. So the number of waves pass through a point in 1 second is known as frequency. Frequency is represented by small f, its unit is hertz. and you know the time period and frequency are reciprocal to each other. Velocity of a wave. As we know that velocity means a wave travel. So velocity is a physical quantity. The distance covered by the wave or the displacement covered by the wave in a unit time is known as its velocity. Velocity means the displacement covered by the waves in a unit time is known as its velocity. So here there is a relation between the velocity, frequency and the wavelength. Velocity of the wave is equal to frequency of the wave multiplied by wavelength. V is equal to F lambda. So from this formula, if we have the frequency of the wave and the wavelength of the wave, then we can find its velocity. Velocity is represented by V and its unit is meter per second. In this topic, velocity of the wave, we will derive the formula V is equal to F lambda. Okay, let's see how the formula is derived. When a single wave passes through a point, you know that when a single wave passes through a point, then it covers a distance of one wavelength. Because we know that the length of a single wave is known as wavelength. So when a single wave passes through a point, then it covers a distance of one wavelength. And in a time which is known as time period, you know the time during which a single wave passes through a point is known as time period. So in a time which is known as time period. So the velocity of the wave is given by. Here we will use the distance formula. As we have read this formula in class 9 kinematics, velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Okay, but we have displacement or the distance. We have displacement is equal to lambda, time is equal to capital T. We will put this value in equation number 1. So equation number 1 will become V is equal to lambda upon T. Okay, or we can write it as V is equal to lambda multiply 1 upon T. As we know that 1 upon T is equal to frequency. We know that 1 upon T is equal to frequency. So we will put this value, we will write F in place of 1 upon T. So the formula will become V is equal to F lambda. Let's see numerical 10.5. 10.5. If 100 waves pass through a point in a medium in 20 seconds, this is the time, total time. So 20 seconds is the total time. It is not the time period because the number of waves are 100. It is not 1. So if 100 waves pass through a point of a medium in 20 seconds, what is the frequency and the time period of the wave? If its wavelength is 6 centimeter. So here we have number of wave which is 100, total time 20 seconds. We have to find frequency, time period, and we have lambda, wavelength is equal to 6 centimeter, which is equal to 0.06 meter, and we have to find the speed of the wave. Okay. Now here we will apply the formula of the time period. Time period is equal to total time divided by number of waves. Okay. This is a formula from which we can find out the time period of the wave. So the time period of the wave is equal to total time divided by number of waves. We have total time 20 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.2 second. And you know there is a relation between the time period and the frequency of the waves. Frequency is equal to 1 upon time period, 1 divided 0.2, which is equal to 5 Hertz. Now finally we will apply the formula V is equal to F lambda, 5 multiplied 0.06, which is equal to 0.3 meter per second. Now let's see numerical 10.6. A wooden bar vibrating into the water surface in a refill tank has a frequency of 12 hertz. The resulting wave has a wavelength of 3 centimeter. What is its speed of the waves? Here we have f is equal to 12 hertz, lambda is equal to 3 centimeter, and what do we have to find? We have to find the speed of the wave. Okay, now we will apply the formula. V is equal to f lambda. Here we have f which is equal to 12, lambda which is equal to 0.03 meter. So V is equal to 0.36 meter per second. Thank you very much.